Are you dreaming? Are you dreaming about barking at coyotes? Yes. Little puppy. They're starting to walk as opposed to scoot everywhere. You know, they're getting their feet up underneath them and taking real deal big dog steps. Look at this floppy one. Look at you. So if you can't tell, these are Ladybird's puppies. I mean, they're just so big. With her having a smaller litter this year, there's plenty of milk to go around, so these babies are getting chunky. There's Cat. Hey, Cat. Cat's our barn cat. Hi, Bobby. Look at all those babies. Bobby Joe. So, pretty soon, well, soon enough, but normally at around 4 weeks, I'll put some colorful ID collars on them. Last year, I used colorful paint, and that was great, but it wore off pretty quickly. And then I have to reapply, and it's a lot of work when you got this many puppies. So, I'm going to try a different type of an ID collar for them this year. In the past, I've made paracord collars, and they're fine, but I've got another type of collar I'm going to use and see how that goes. So, we'll find out in a few weeks. So Bobby Joe's puppies, they still have their eyes closed. I expect their eyes will start to open up next week. In the meantime, they're just going to be roly-poly little babies like this. As you can see, they're starting to bark. Yeah. Hey, Papa Guinea. Hi, Boone. That's Papa. These little guys are definitely starting to discover their bark. Oh, dude. here. You go get your other one. What are you doing over here? This guy. This is a polar bear. Look at this polar bear. Oh my God. You're such a lug. There you go. Get in there. He is gargantuan. So big. Look at you. Blocking all the space. There you go. Are you proud, Daddy? You're such a good boy. Yes. Thank you, Duke. Well, look at you eating puppy food. Are you trying to be a big dog? Miss Maple is the apple of my eye. She's the best. You want a belly rub? How about a belly rub? You want a belly rub? Come on, give me your belly. Give me your belly. There it is. There's your belly. Yeah. It's a good luck belly.